Morning everyone, today Philips blender 1460 watts, so it's very powerful. Let's unbox it. Bam, bam, bam. Let's see what's inside. And inside you have a lot of papers, all kinds of papers. Philips papers, shakes and everything. We don't need that. And let's flip the box. Let's hope I will not damage it. Okay, okay, okay. Whoa! Wow, wow, wee! Look at this. Very nice packaging. Oh, it's the spoon. It's the plastic spoon. Okay. Put it aside. That's the cover. Ah, smells nice. Oh wow. What is this? Okay. Okay. Plastic cover. This is glass. This is not plastic. Glass. Okay, let's put it aside. And that's the base, my friend. And this base looks awesome, but it's not that heavy. This part is heavier. Okay, so this part is removable. Like you can see, you can remove the bottom, and like you can see, you can remove the blades, and now you can easily clean this part, no problem. And also this part. That's why it's very convenient. This part is very convenient. Okay, let's put it back. See, very easy, done. Okay, and you put it into the place. Lock it, place the cover, and you're ready to go. There's a spoon here, but why there's a spoon? Is it going to touch the blades? Well, no. It's far away from the blades. Even if you press it hard, it won't touch the blades. So it's safe to use the spoon. It's most important, because you don't want plastic in your food. Of course, let's connect this device and let's see how it blends. P button, shake button, ice button, off, on, and minimum, and all the way to maximum. It has a nice feeling when you use this wheel. Okay. There are 4 suction cups under the blender, so it's very stable, and it has 1800 milliliters, so it's plenty enough. And how fast is it spin in maximum settings? 35,000 per minute, so it's a lot. There's my trusted assistant. Okay, say good morning.
Oh, assistant.
Maybe 2 bananas, a couple of apples, maybe a couple more, and, my friend, yogurt. I don't know how it's called in English. Anyway, you know what it is. Okay, it's plenty enough.
No, ale dałeś jogurt.
Quiet everybody, quiet!
To nie kiwi.
Where's the... Now, will it blend? This is the question. Okay. It's on. This is on minimum. Minimum. Huh? Maximum. Maximum.
Nie wybuchnie to?
Professional. Professional. Stable. No more. Okay. If I remove the top cap, because I don't want to get dirty.
Ah, yes. Better.
Jesus. Very tight, my friend, very tight. Okay. Now. Ooh. Looks tasty.
No, for me, cream cup.
Women. Okay. Tasty bunch. You like it?
Kwaśne.
And after a couple of minutes, steamy. It's very powerful and makes your carrots like a cloud. Very nice.